Okay, our chili is done. I took off the lid and this stuff is boiling. But I need to make dinner, so I need to get this out of the pot. Oh, it smells so good. It tasted so good. I wished that I didn't have enough for a jar and I would have had a bowl or cup, whatever. But we have 6 jars for the shelf. Mm-mm-mm. Look at that. And boiling. So there we have it. Our chili, 6 jars. So give this recipe a try. Add as much meat or other fillings as you like. Let me know how it turns out. Put that food on your shelf. So I will see you all soon. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.